It's now a pleasure to call on Professor Eugene Cloete, the DVC for Research from my home university, Stellenbosch, to award the degrees to those students registered at Stellenbosch and to address us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Green. Good morning, distinguished guests, our graduandi, and colleagues. It really is a pleasure for me to be here this morning and to say a few words on behalf of Stellenbosch University, starting by the apology of our Vice-Rector and Chancellor, Professor Botman, who sends his congratulations to all those of you who receive your degrees today. I do want to start off by reflecting a little bit on what Professor Turek said, because I think in what he said there were elements that are important. You'd have heard him talk about dreams, about a vision. Ames was at one point a vision, a dream. Now, dreams are important because these dreams are what motivates us. It makes us get up in the morning with excitement because we are thinking about a goal that is significant, or a goal that at least we consider to be worthwhile. And I think these are important elements as we move into the future, to never stop having those dreams, never to stop having worthwhile goals. But he also said something else which I think is important. He communicated a clear expectation, not only a dream, but also a clear expectation. Now, these expectations are important, and they are important because they unlock human potential. I believe that all of us here in this room have the same amount of genius as Leonardo da Vinci or an Albert Einstein. It is systems and what other people say and the expectations that they communicate to us from a very young age that eventually limit our geniality. So especially for the young people in the audience here, never stop raising the expectation you have of yourself and also the expectation that you have of the people around you, because that will unlock your own potential and it will unlock the potential of your colleagues. And I can cite many examples where potential has been unrealized because of what other people communicated. So that belief in your colleagues and the belief in yourself is extremely important if you want to achieve success. You have achieved success. Today, all of you here that will receive a degree have achieved success. It started with a dream, perhaps an impossible dream. You've realized that dream. It is now a reality. Success classically is defined as achieving the objectives that you set for yourself. And that should never stop, by the way. You should always have worthwhile objectives because you will be motivated for a lifetime. This is why some people are motivated for 30 minutes and others for 30 days, and some people for a lifetime. Those that are motivated for a lifetime never run out of worthwhile goals, worthwhile objectives, worthwhile dreams. It can happen, of course, that you start realizing these goals and achieve these goals and you get good at it. So for me the question is, what lies beyond that? What lies on the other side of achieving goals? Now, there are two things there. The one is easy. It's just happiness. I think you should strive, or at least try and be happy, because it gives context to your achievements. No use in being extremely successful and being unhappy at the same time. Now, you might ask me, well, what is happiness? Now, that's a very difficult thing to define. Perhaps if you are unhappy, you know. So if you're not unhappy, perhaps you're happy. But that happiness is important because of the context it gives. But there's something else. Classically, I said the definition of success is achieving the goals that you set for yourself. I would like you to start thinking about living a life of significance as you move into the future. Now, what is that? What is a life? What will make you significant? When you look back through your career and at your life, what will make you significant? In my mind, it is when you start focusing on the goals of other people and when you start helping other people to achieve their goals. Where one of your dreams and where one of your goals becomes the success of the people around you. In fact, where their success becomes more important than your own success. And we have such significant people here in this room today. All of those that have been associated during the past 10 years with this wonderful institution, in my books, count as significant people. They have impacted on the lives of many young people on our continent. They've opened their minds. They've helped them set new milestones, achieve new things. And as you move into the future, think back of these people and what they have achieved with the sole objective of helping you to become successful. With that, go into the future. Try and be happy, but live significant lives. I thank you. For the purpose of awarding of a qualification, I hereby declare the following part of this meeting a congregation of the Stellenbosch University. I will now award the degree Master of Science in Mathematical Sciences of the Stellenbosch University, which is offered in conjunction with the University of Cape Town and Western Cape to the candidates who are presented to me by the Acting Dean of the Faculty of Science.
Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you to award the degree Master of Science in Mathematical Sciences to the following candidates. Efia Aso Amo Barima. Princess Chidinma Anusionwu. Simashu Endale Ashibir. Ali Mishindu Bakar. Domilongo Christian Bope. Jumi Funke David. Alton Vani Kaseli. Sobi El Sayed Mohammed El Mahdi Lofti Kalawif. Oteng Mapane. Maha Mohammed. Jacqueline Wangui Mugo. Richard Juanico Muntali. Mari Yvonne Uera. Then, Mr. Vice-Chancellor, I request you to award the degree Master of Science in Mathematical Sciences cum laude, which is the same as UCT's distinction, above 75% average in final mark, to the following candidates. Mupalelo Mundudzi Matase, or Matse. Gail Buso Anga. Francis Mponda. Adri Niaina Narendra Rasoa Naivo. Mark Musonda Shawa.
It is a pleasure to congratulate all of you newly capped holders of a master's degree with additional qualification that you now hold. We trust that it will be a great value to you in your future studies and careers. A special word of congratulations to those of you who obtained the degree cum laude. The master's degree is the entry point for admission to doctoral studies, and we would like to see as many of you as possible to continue with research towards your doctoral degree. To those of you who will be returning to your home countries and towns, we wish the best of everything in the future. I then hereby close the congregation of the Stellenbosch University.